up, y'all? It's your girl now, and I'm back with another video. I'm not gonna make this intro too long because I don't want to be on camera looking like this for too much longer. But I just wanted to show y'all like how I really be thugging it out under the wigs. Like, y'all, I got so much new growth, but it's not that much new growth, but it's new growth. And I don't want to take my braids out until I'm done doing these wigs that I got a promo, because when I take my braids out, I'm going to like deep condition my hair and let it breathe and wear my real hair for a few days. So don't worry, these gonna be out in a few days. But we're gonna jump right into the video, y'all. So I'm gonna be installing this braided wig that I got from Fabulosity Hair. They actually sent it over to me for Instagram video, but I'm just doing a YouTube video too because I really think I'm gonna like this wig. Like, it looks very good. So I'm just gonna put my bald cap method on. So the last time I tried a braided wig, I tried two braided wigs. Well, one knotless braided wig and one like cornrows or whatever. And the last braided knotless wig I had, it was like synthetic. So like, I couldn't make it look like natural. As I tried to make it look as natural as I could, but I couldn't make it look like real natural, like, you know. But this one, it's human hair. Well, the wig itself is on human hair. So I was able to bleach the knots. So I'm pretty confident that this is gonna look good, y'all. I wanna try this method that I seen. So I forgot who I seen do this, but basically you just put the foundation powder on the cap first and then you like melt it down. So I'm gonna try that to see if this method makes a difference. And yo, I did put oil in my on my scalp. I did do that. I always do that every time I take my wig off. I put oil in my scalp because there's no point of wearing a protective style if you're not gonna still take care of your hair so it can grow. Because that's the whole purpose of a protective style. But I gotta put this powder like everywhere because this is a braided wig. It's a 4-lace wig, so. And I'm not even gonna try to install the back down because I can't see the back of my head and I don't feel like dealing with all that. I like using this Got to Be Glued, the yellow tube. I like using this to melt my cap down because it melts different. Like now, you don't really need a lot of this, cause like when I say this really work, like this really work. So I ain't gonna put too much. Now I'm gonna use some Pump It Up just to ensure that it don't go nowhere and that it's really melted, like melted. Taking my blow dryer on the cool setting and I'm going to blow dry this until it's completely dry. You want to make sure you do not cut this unless it's completely dry, because if you do, it's going to roll back. And you don't want that because you're going to have to do it all over. So just be patient and make sure it's completely dry before you cut it, sis. y'all. So I'm gonna just tie this down to make sure that it really is melted. And while I let this finish drying, because it's not all the way dry, but I don't feel like keep blow drying it, and I'm hungry, my stomach is growling. So I'm about to go grab something to eat, a little snack, and I'll be back when I'm done. Y'all, I'm back, and I'm pretty sure it's dry. Yeah, it's dry. So I'll take my mini scissors. These came inside of a fucking pedicure kit from Rite Aid's, but they got these small scissors at the hair store. They got them everywhere, but I recommend you use these instead of the big scissors because these is just easier. But the first thing I do when I cut my cap off is I cut this part, I cut the middle, and then I just do this side first. I don't really pull it back a lot. I just cut the band off, and then like if I need to pull it back some more, if it's too far down, I do it section by section. But this is how I prevent my lace from rolling back. Alright y'all, so my cap is rolling back, but I'm about to show y'all how to fix that. I just take a silk edge wrap. This one is from Love Me Hair. Make sure you go shop with them, use my code NATE20. I spray it directly on the edge wrap, because if you spray it on here, like it's gonna start rolling back unless you like hold it down and dry it and make sure it's dry. So I spray it on the edge wrap real quick like this. Just like this. I tie it down and then I blow dry it with the cool setting, as always, for about 5 minutes. No, 3 minutes. Keep it up. But this is the wig. This is their packaging or whatever. Just a little drawstring bag. I had pulled it too tight when I opened it and I broke the bag or whatever. So it's only one drawstring right here. But their card just say thank you for your patronage. Check out blah 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 blah. Alright, that's their card. Thank you card or whatever. Now let's get into this wig, honey, period. Hold on, let me close my robe up, because y'all need to see my goodies. Sis! Period! Super long. I don't know how many inches this is, but look. It go all the way like this. It's long. Like, look at, I bleached the knots and I put like concealer on the part so they can look more natural, but y'all look, only thing I don't like about the wig is that they use black braided hair, but the wig is actually one bead, so like you can really tell kinda. But they should just use like brown hair, or they should have dyed the wig jet black if they wanted to use jet black braided hair. But I'm still gonna finesse this wig, but I want to show y'all like the construction of the wig, the inside of it. It comes with an elastic band on the inside, adjustable straps, a comb in the back, and just a full lace wig. This wig is heavy. It feel like it's about to be too little because I'm trying to pull it all the way down in the back, and every time I try to pull it, it just come all the way back in the front. So I don't know if this wig is too little for my head. It's definitely too little for my head, y'all. This is so sad because I wanted to wear this wig. I'm ready to finesse this and fit it to my head. I'm gonna come back, y'all, because this is sad. So this wig definitely does not fit my head. I don't know if they offer different cap sizes or wig sizes or whatever. But if you have a head that's the size of my head and you got hair that's like the length and like as much hair as I do, try to get a big cap size. I don't know what size this cap is, but it don't fit. We gonna finesse it because I really want to get some pictures in this wig. So, but that's the only thing I can say about the wig, is that it's a little. So just if you get one of these, if you get a wig from them, just make sure you get like a bigger cap size if you got a bigger head, because this wig is definitely like very little. My baby hair sit, and I wouldn't put some like some jewels in my braids, but now let's see what's up with the baby hair. Okay, it's cool. Still don't fit, but it's cool. Now I'ma just I'ma take some Pump It Up. Spray that. Whew. I'll take some of this pink, Luster's Pink Glosser. Spray that in there to give it some shine so it won't look all dry and just dry. I'm basically done. I'm about to go get dressed and I'll be back to do the outro. Alright y'all, so I'm back. I just went and got dressed and I got on this shirt that I got from Miami. Y'all, this shirt is like, look at it. This shirt is showing a whole lot of skin, but look, this for my pink shirts. I had to wear something pink, and I thought that this shirt just go perfect with this hairstyle because it's giving me like you know, like island girl vibes or whatever. But anyway, yo, I finessed the wig. It's still not all the way down in the back or whatever, but I still like the wig. I like how it's constructed. I like the braids. I really just like the wig. It looked very natural, as y'all can see. Like, look at the scalp. It looked like real scalp, y'all. The only thing I can say is make sure you get your right cap size, because if not, your wig is not gonna fit in the bag. But I finessed it like I always do. Y'all know I'm the finesse queen or whatever. But I forgot to put on lip gloss. Hold on. Anyway, y'all, this is the finished look or whatever. I really like this wig. The only thing I don't like is that it's too little and they use black braided hair with 1B hair. Other than that, I really do like this wig, y'all. Make sure y'all go shop with them at Fabulosity Hair. Their Instagram is at Fabulosity Hair 25. Make sure you go follow them. If you go shop with them, tell them I sent you, period. And make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and follow me on all my social medias at Lene Lanelle. They're going to be linked down below to make it easier for you. And make sure you comment and be active, because I'm going to be shouting out one of my supporters in the beginning of every video, starting with my next upload. So make sure you comment. You can comment anything you want for a chance to be featured in my next video. But yeah, bye y'all. Thanks for watching.